In this video, I will show you how to add multiple stops on Google Maps. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Open Google Maps and then tap Directions. Enter your start point and then choose your destination. So I'm going to select the Ping An International Finance Center. At the bottom, you will see Add Stops to the right of Start. Select that, and then you can choose the stops that you would like to make. I will stop at this restaurant and I will add a stop. I would also like to stop at a coffee shop, so I will add another stop, coffee shop, and I will stop at this coffee shop. And once I am ready to go, I then select Start. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.